Hi, I'm teacher Janet, and today we're going to make a rocket. So let's make a rocket. All right, first we need to go over a couple of things. There's physical reaction and chemical reaction. Physical reaction is when you take a piece of paper and you crumple it up. Still paper. Okay, I can unfold, uncrumple. Still paper. I can write, I can cut, still paper. Physical reaction, just changed shape. Chemical reaction, if I light this on fire, no more paper. Here is ash. Not paper, ash. So this is chemical reaction. It changed what it was. No paper, now ash. So, our materials to make the rocket. We need empty water bottle, cork, 2 sets chopsticks, so 4, okay, and duct tape. Okay. So first thing, we are going to tape the chopsticks to the bottle. So we'll take just a little bit of tape for this part. So we want to leave space because of cork. So we will tape up. So 1, okay. Let's say 2. I have some here. Okay. All right. 3. And 4. Just go about there. Let me do this. Okay, so let's see. We want to make sure they stand. Okay. I went down a little bit. Okay. All right. Now, step 2, tape more firmly. So we will use a bigger piece to make sure it stays. So there's 1 and another. Okay. Make sure they're in and sturdy. Okay. Step 3, stand the rocket up. So make sure it's good and firm. Yes. And we can see that this will fit, sorry, this way. We are good. Good to go. Okay. So we have our rocket part. Now, for the next part, we need more materials. Okay. We need baking soda. We need vinegar. We need paper towel. I don't have. I have 2 tissues. It will work. And tape. Okay. going to use, this is baking soda. So, all right. We are going to put this in here. So it needs to be thin to put in here, okay? So I'll do this. We need, step 4, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, okay? This is a teaspoon. So there are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon, so I need 9. And conversions you can do on internet. I'm American, you guys use grams, so don't worry. 3 tablespoons, you can Google that part. But it is 9 of these, okay? So I'm going to put 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 of the teaspoons, okay? All right. Now we're going to roll up. Okay, and there. Okay, we've got that. So we're going to roll this. Okay. And you want it thin because it has to fit in this bottle, small opening. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to tape. So I need around 4, maybe 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The tape, if it gets on the baking soda, it won't stick, it won't stick. So you have to be careful. Okay, so we'll start here. I'm gonna go 1. Yeah, this is starting to go. Okay. 2. All right, I'm gonna make this kind of, okay, like this. Okay. And I'm gonna, this one is starting to come out, so. Okay. 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 And then 1 here. Okay. So it should be, yep, it can go in there. Okay. All right. So the next thing we do is we are going to take this. I'm going to use the other one. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay. And fill it halfway with, so about to here, about halfway. Okay. I need to check how we're doing. Okay. Go a little bit more. Yeah, that's about halfway. Okay. All right. Then we are going to put the baking soda, sorry, in here. And then put the lid on. I'm not going to do it right here because it will, we'll do that part outside. So then we'll turn it over, put the cork in it. We'll put it outside and let it rip. So there it goes. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, so. Okay, sorry, let me move this now. Okay, so this will be the leather part, right? All right. Okay, so was that a physical reaction or a chemical reaction? What do you think? Okay, it was a chemical reaction. The baking soda reacted with the vinegar, and it made carbon dioxide, and the gas went down and put a force against the cork. The cork went out, and the bottle went up. And that is Newton's third law of motion. So that's what happened, is chemical reaction. Okay, we are going to use this to set this in here because it was windy earlier. So we are going to go ahead and put this in. Oh God, okay, here we go. This is where I have trouble. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're going to turn it over. Oh shit, here it goes again. Okay. Why is it not going? Here it goes. All right. Okay, so was that a physical reaction or a chemical reaction? What do you think? Well, it was a chemical reaction. What happened is the baking soda reacted with the vinegar, and they made carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide is a gas. And with the plug, the cork plugging it, it was pushing down on the cork. And when the cork popped, the other part went up. And that's why you had the kind of the explosion go up. And that was the force. That is Newton's third law of motion. A reaction has a reaction. So that's what happened there. Well, thank you for making a rocket with me today. I hope you try this at home. It's easy and fun and cheap. Just make sure you're outside when you do it. And bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.